Hey, what's up guys? Today we're talking in-camera transitions, how to film them, and how to edit them. So what do we mean when we say in-camera transition? Basically anything that you do with your camera during production to help transition from one scene to the next. And our first category is the camera cover. All you have to do is cover your camera to a full black screen to end the first scene, then you reveal from a black screen to begin the next scene. Now how do we edit this? We pop right into Final Cut, drop both clips into the timeline, trim the first clip to end of the black screen, trim the second clip to begin of the black screen, and now we have a simple camera cover transition. And you can basically use anything to do this camera cover. And you can get really creative with this and add some motion to your camera cover transitions, but our next category is motion match. So moving your camera in any direction very quickly causes this motion blur effect. And what we're gonna be doing in this motion transition is using that motion blur to actually mask or transition from one scene to the next. So we're gonna move our camera in one direction to end our first scene and move the camera in the same direction to begin the next scene. Let's jump back into Final Cut, search for a good blur in our first scene, cut it there, do the same thing for our second scene and cut that there, and we're done. Let's play that back. So you can spin the camera, you can spin yourself with the camera, you can do upward motion, you can do downward motion, you can do right to left motion, or you can do left to right motion. So both of those transition types are very simple, the camera cover and the motion transitions, and you can be very creative and do whatever you want with them. There's also other transitions out there that you can utilize, like shape matching or color matching. You can match colors and use that to transition to different scenes. You can also focus on the same object and use that to transition from one scene to the next. Just make sure you keep those tips in mind next time you try to do this, and just try to plan it out. I'm sure it'll be fun. Keep filming. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.